Dear sir and ma'am, now I will do presentation for my big project. Before I'm start for my presentation, now I will do introduce to myself. My name is Johannes Basenses Payung, and now I'm study at Delft Institute Technology, and my major at ITDL, that is to Bachelor of Applied Software Engineering Technology. And now I am the third year student. On my big project, I'm get to of my project course. The name of my course that is to Advanced Algorithms, and the title of my big project that is to Real-time Currency Denomination Prediction Using Object Detection. On this project, I used to algorithm of supervised learning that is to convolutional neural network. And now I'm explain for CNN algorithm. CNN algorithm divide four part. The part of the first that is to input image. In input image, in example, that is to picture of currency nominal money of Indonesian. And after to input image, the next stage that is to convolution. In convolution, will to extract feature important from image to input image. And after to convolution, that is to stage of max pooling. In max pooling, will to filter information important from result of convolution. And the next of stage of max pooling, that is to fully connected neural network. In fully connected neural network, that is to neural in layer, will to connect the next of layer neural. And then this stage result to outputs. The first outputs that is to like I hope is a match, and then the other of outputs that is to like I hope not a match. And now I am to explain for description for this project. The description for this project that is to development a model to capable of identifying currency nominal and in real time. And the background for this project that is to in the real world, many financial require to fast and accurate currency nominal. Then the system help to financial activity to fast and accurate nominal. And the objective of this project that is to developing a system that to can facilitate to identify currency nominal, and then at the same of the background, the system can help the financial activity. And now I'm explain for the technical challenge for this project. The technical challenge for this project, the first that is to dataset availability and quality. Why the dataset availability and quality to make the technical challenge for this project? Because if we will build a model, dataset become the core. Then if model train use dataset or use a poor dataset and not a good quality dataset, model not a correct prediction. Then this is illustrated to good dataset and not good dataset. In good dataset in the right, and illustrated a good dataset, all the field at the column and row all fill a data, and then not a good dataset, all the field not all the field to fill a data. Then the technical challenge of the other that is to recognition accuracy under different condition. Under different condition, that is to good lighting and a poor lighting. And then the other of technical challenge that is to real-time performance. The real-time and good performance needs to a bigger research, and have a bigger research not easy. And then the real-time and a good performance became to the technical challenge for this project. And now I will do explain for a design for this project. A design for this project, the first that is to data preparation. In data preparation, I will to collect a data. In this case, I will to collect all of the categorical currency nominal in Indonesia. The categorical nominal money of Indonesian, that is a 7. That is to 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, and 100. And after to collect a data, I will to pre-processing. In pre-processing, I will to clean data. And after to data preparation, I will do design for modern architecture. In modern architecture, I use the algorithm of supervised learning, that is to convolutional neural network. I use to convolutional neural network algorithm because this algorithm conquer of my dataset. Then I use to transfer learning with mobile net V2. And after I am to design for model architecture, I will to design for a training model. In a training model, I will to training custom CNN model at the first. Then after after I'm training custom CNN model, I will to pre-train model use a transfer learning. Then after will do train for transfer learning, I will to arrange for hyperparameter tuning. I will to arrange for hyperparameter tuning because the model not to overfitting. And then the last of training model, I will to evaluation during a training. And after to training model, I will to design for evaluation model, that is to see and notice accuracy. And then the other of evaluation model, that is to identify model a weakness. And the evaluation model, I used to early stopping for this project because if we use early stopping model not overfitting. And the last of design, I will do a testing. In testing, I will to testing a model. And this case, I will to enter of new feature, and then the model will to prediction for the carcinominal feature. And the solution for this project, that is to CNN model architecture. In CNN model architecture for this solution, because this algorithm conquer of my dataset, and the other of solution, that is to dataset. In dataset, to make the solution, because dataset to become a core for this project. And then model train use a good dataset. Model can do easy for prediction the current nominal. And the other of solution, that is to live detection using camera. And live detection using camera because user can to fast and accurate to currency nominal money of Indonesia. And the other of solution, that is to implementation platform. In implementation platform for this system, I will do implementation to web based. Then the other of solution for a pro solution, that is to high accuracy. In high accuracy, I'm get to the conquer of my algorithm and my dataset. And the pro solution, the other, that is to real-time detection. Real-time detection because I'm using the camera. And the pro solution of the other, that is to processing efficiency. And the cons of solution for this project, that is to dataset limitation. In dataset limitation, to make the cons of solution, because not all of dataset good. And then I will to clean a dataset. And the other of con solution, that is to dependence of camera hardware. In system, use a camera to prediction. And then if the system in running not in is an environment system in running not have a camera, the system not to prediction of currency nominal. And then the other of solution for this project, that is to energy consumption. And then after to energy consumption, that is to overfitting challenge. Overfitting challenge to make the core of solution, because overfitting challenge to make the model not a good prediction. And the other of solution, that is to real-time implementation complexity and foreign currency processing. And then this is another challenge that remain unresolved. And this video will look to boundary, not a detection and object. And then this is to challenge for that remains unresolved for now. And I have an idea for this solve. I have an idea for challenge this solve. Then I must build the one model use algorithm YOLO, or you only look once. Then system used in project, that is to TensorFlow or Keras. In TensorFlow or Keras used to build the trend of the CNN model for currency nominal. And then the provide tools for defense to training and saving model, compiling and architecture. And the other system used in project that is to React. In React, that is the framework for creating a web application interface. And then integrate React used to integrate the live detection feature using the camera of device. And the other system used in project that is to OpenCV. In OpenCV, use the preprocessing stage for handling image, such as the noise reduction, cropping, and resizing. And the last of system use in the project that is to Python. In the programming language Python, for developing a CNN algorithm on CNN model and the training and a pipeline and code base details. And now this project done is a group, and my proportion for my group, I'm build a model. I'm build a model divide three parts. And the first part, I will do build a file preparation. In file preparation, I will do write 100 lines. In file preparation, I will do loads the dataset and prepare image, and then in example of purpose image that is to resizing and normalization. And then I will do augments the data, and that for better generalization. And after to create a file preparation, I will do create a model trend. In model trend, I'm write to 120 lines. In model trend, I will to define a chain and architecture, and then I am to compile the model with a loss function and optimers. And I see to train model and evaluate its performance of model. And the last that is to predict. In predict, I'm write the 80 lines. And in predict, I load a train model and process input image from the camera. And if we will to make a speech mistakes of speech, I'm sorry. Thank you.